Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to find Coinbase recovery phrase. Your Coinbase wallet recovery phrase is crucial for accessing your wallet and recovering it if you lose access. So here's how you can find and securely store your Coinbase wallet recovery phrase. First of all, open the Coinbase Wallet application. Once you open up your wallet, click on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Once you open up settings, look for a level where it says recovery phrase, backup phrase or secret phrase. Simply click on this address option under wallet at the top and click on recovery phrase. Now click on the allow button to reveal your recovery phrases, and you will be able to see your phrases on the box. Simply tap on the box to reveal your recovery phrases. Once you reveal your phrases, write down your recovery phrase in a piece of paper, or you can also simply tap on copy to clipboard and paste it in a secure folder. Your recovery phrase is the key to your wallet. Anyone will be able to access to it if they have your recovery phrases. Avoid storing your recovery phrases on cloud services, emails, or any digital format that can be hacked or accessed by others. So that is how you will be able to find your recovery phrases on Coinbase. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.